I'm very excited, very nervous. I'm going to be on in the next 15 minutes. So yeah, doing my rounds of the red carpet. Anticipating going on stage very, very soon. Excited and nervous.
And Shahid Kapoor's co-host was more than happy to share his thoughts.
I'm hardly performing with this hand. I can hardly do that. But yeah, I'll host a part of the section that Shahid and Boman are doing. I wanted to do a little dance. But I can't. I mean, I've suddenly realized I'm no good with one hand. Not that I was any better with two. So I'll try and dance a little for everyone. Just hope I make sure everyone smiles a little this evening.
But King Khan was not the only one excited about his performance on stage.
Excited to be going inside?
No, actually no. I'm performing, so I'm always nervous about it, yeah.
Tell us something. What are you performing? What songs are you performing for?
I'm performing to 4 tracks that I've sung myself actually in my films, yeah.
What songs? Some songs?
I'm going to be performing on Tai Tai from Dam Maro Dam, from Players, from Bluff Master of course, and Buddha Hoga Tera Baap.
Well, lots of performances tonight, and are you looking forward to any particular moment?
You know, I'm one of the lucky few who's managed to be there at the rehearsals. I've seen everybody's performances, but I definitely feel the highlight is going to be to see Madhuri ji and Sridevi ji back. They're both sensational. Although I've been on a world tour with Madhuri ji. The last time I saw Sridevi ji on stage was 21 years ago. I was a 15-year-old at Wembley Stadium with my dad watching a Volta that they were on. And to see her back on stage is just magical. She's brilliant.
What about your family? Are they coming here today to see you perform, sing?
No, unfortunately, they're all busy working. So I'm representing.
बहुत ज़्यादा practice, rehearsal?
इतना ज़्यादा तो नहीं किया, but कोशिश किया थोड़ा practice करने के लिए. जितना भी हम लोग practice करें तो audience को देखने के बाद पूरा blank हो जाती है.
आप पहली बार श्रीदेवी को perform करते देखेंगे पहले भी dance shows?
After marriage.
After marriage.
She's performing the first time live in almost 20 years.
Sridevi and Madhuri Dixit's performances were not the only super surprises at the 14th edition of the IFAs. There were also some surprises on the red carpet.
Well, we have a very surprise visit on this green carpet, Anushka. We weren't expecting you. That isn't.
Were you? Not.
That's awesome. I think all your fans here were there. They're just going crazy.
I just landed today actually.
Again. We aren't the only ones happy.
You know, the thing is, my first IFA was in Macau. So, you know, when you have a journey and somewhere in that, during that journey, you meet a point which reminds you of the beginning of your career, you know, it just automatically becomes really special. So I'm happy that I'm here. Most importantly, I'm happy that I've been nominated for Yashji's film. And to me, that's the greatest honor. And win or not, I'm just happy that I've been recognized by IFA.
And what is even more special, it's 100 Years of Cinema, the Shah Rukh hosting also. I mean, like, it's perfect.
Can I be very honest with you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be very honest. I'm really happy that I've been nominated and I'm really happy about that. But the reason that I've come all the way from Bombay to be here is to watch Madhuri Dixit perform live.
Oh my God.
That is what I'm here for. And I think that is going to be like an experience because she is my most favorite performer.
And even some melodrama by an actor who had her own colourful kahani to tell.
And our best bets live with Vidya. Vidya, I think most of your fans think you're getting the award tonight. What do you say?
Wow, that's a great feeling just to know that people think I'm getting the award. But yes, it's been a great year for the entire Kahani team. And let's hope for the best tonight.
We haven't seen you, I told you, on this weekend. Have you just arrived today?
Yes, we've just arrived today.
And we saw that little piece of action, the second Jaymala happening there. And look at his face, he's like, oh my God, this can't be happening to me. What do you have to say
That's
about
exactly what I was thinking. You read my mind.
And Vidya said, what the hell?
Yeah, because I'm happy to do the Jaymala with him time and again.
But love is very much alive and there's lots of performances both of you can sit and enjoy. There's Sri Devi and there is Abhishek. There's lots of them. So your personal favorites, not to say like I'm sure all of them will be great. But who are you looking forward to?
Yeah, but you know, I've never seen Sri Devi live on stage and I can't wait to watch her. I've seen the others and they're all great. And of course, I think this is also Parinithi's first performance if I'm right.
Yes.
And I like Pariniti too. But I can't wait to watch Sridevi.
What about you?
Well, I'm looking forward to them all, but you know, we're promoting Chennai Express, and when you're in promotion mode, then the one
Businessman!
Yeah, the one I'm looking forward to most is Shah Rukh and Deepika. So that should be
Perfect businessman that your husband is.
Proud of him for that.